Welcome back. We have moved over into the kitchen. We are less than 2 weeks away until Valentine's Day, so you know what that means. Sweet
chocolate!
Yes. Maria Kemp joining us in the kitchen, showing us how to make some delicious truffles.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell us about yourself. You're a pastry chef.
Yes, I am. I've lived in North Carolina just a little under 2 years from Illinois. Graduated the French Pastry School in Chicago back in 2007. Made North Carolina my home and absolutely love it.
I bet you're happy with the weather this week.
I love it. I love
Chicago,
it. The
right?
humidity can be a challenge though in the summer though.
Yes.
For what I do. But yeah, otherwise I love it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well tell us what we're making today.
Okay, what we're making, well, Beyond Decadence is a pop-up bakery, which means I work out of a kitchen that's not open to the public.
Okay.
But I do events all over Charlotte, for the city, for Raffaldini's Winery, in private and corporate events. But we're making chocolate truffles today. And we're using Ghirardelli's because that's one of the best chocolates around.
Amen.
Okay.
And so we're just going to show you the TV version, so it's going to be super quick and easy.
Yeah.
But what I've done is I've poured the heavy cream into the saucepan, and there's some milk in there. Usually be heated a little bit more than this, but I think my burner shut off.
Okay.
So we're going to just go ahead and roll with it. And I'm going to pour it over the chocolate. Now you can use chocolate chips, you can chop chocolate and shave it so it melts quicker. But if it doesn't melt, one thing people don't always realize is you can also give it a little jolt in the microwave gently. Just be gentle. Don't try and start it, boil it or anything like this.
Burn chocolate,
so,
there's no going back.
Exactly, it's bad. Throw it out and just start over. So you would stir this.
What a
and
waste,
then,
throw out chocolate?
I know, right? But you would just stir it and it would melt, and then you would just set it aside. Now, you'll find that some recipes, and there's a lot of recipes available online, but you have fun with it. The one that's going to be on the website is from Ghirardelli's.
I never know what it is, so I was glad
but
that
you know what I'm trying to say.
It's good.
But anyway, you would take this and you would put it in the refrigerator and you would cover it with saran wrap.
Okay.
So with the magic of TV, oh look, here's the finished version. Okay, so this has been covered with saran wrap. Now I brought two different versions.
That's hard.
Yes. Now this one isn't as hard as it's supposed to be, but I brought this for a reason. And this is called skin on, which means the saran wrap is actually touching the surface of the chocolate. So I scoop, and then I put it on the plate. And now this is a super soft one, so it's going to be very hard to roll. That's why I have on gloves.
Got it. Okay.
So this is one that's firmer, and you use the gloves, and not throw it all over your jacket, because the heat from your hands will heat it up very quickly.
Okay.
Then you drop it in the chocolate cocoa, you roll it around, and then you pick it up. And then this is a bigger size. So I brought two different sizes because on my website for Valentine's Day, I have the bigger size listed. And so there's scoops that you use, and they're two different sizes.
Okay.
So I've used the bigger scoop for the one in this purple wrapper that'll be available for Valentine's Day, and these are littler ones. Littler ones.
It works. We know what you're talking about.
But these have been infused with wine from Raffaldini's Winery.
North Carolina?
Yes, in Rhonda. I do desserts for them. We've got an event coming up next weekend, which is sold out for Valentine's Day.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, we have a lot of things coming up, so you can see me there and have my desserts and enjoy their fabulous wine. So this one has been infused with the Sangiovese wine, so I'm going to have the ladies give it a try.
Yeah. And tell us, while we're trying this, tell us quickly where we can find you if we want
You
some
can find me
treats.
online, beyonddecadence.com. I just put the Valentine's menu online. These are red velvet brownies with cream cheese frosting. And on the bottom, this is something that I'm hoping to have on the Valentine's menu. I've got one little thing to work out with it first, but they are French almond macaroons.
Yummy.
So they're made, macaron, I have to say it correctly. So they're made with almond flour, so they're gluten-free, so gluten-free friends enjoy them, and those are filled with cream cheese frosting as well. But I bake everything from scratch. I do delivery or arrange for free pickup at a certain location in Cornelius, and I can't wait to serve you for Valentine's Day.
Delicious.
That is so good.
Thank
that was
you.
just pure chocolate.
Thank you. Did you taste the wine at the very end?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, the wine has some cherry notes in it, so it's very easy.
Maria,
Very
thank
easy
you
drink.
so much.
You're welcome.
Beyond Decadence.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.